Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to make zoom in on Canva video. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are in this is my Canva app. So let me take one canvas. So I just take this presentation canvas normal size. Okay, so here my canvas size. Now you can upload your own video. If you have your video on your device, you can upload from here. After upload, you can see your video here. After uploading, just select that, it will be insert here. Okay, for me I just take the video from Canva only because I don't have video. I just take this one. Okay, after that, here you can see the Canva video has been insert, and this is my pages. Okay, if you don't find this view, you just select that pages. We enable this pages option, it will be visible to you. Now select that page, click on three dot option and go for edit as a video. So we have video as a edit. Okay, so this is my video. Okay, so here you can see the layers, or you can see say that layers. Okay, so this is my video layers, and this is my that background layer. So you need to just delete that background layer and just put this video on that background layer. So now we have that video. Now keep the cursor from where you want to zooming video. So I just want zoom video from here. Okay, from here. So I just keep the this line on it. Now right click on it and keep the hit the split. Now your clip has been divided into two part. You can see this first part, this is the second part. Now as I want the zooming effect from here, so I just select that second clip and double click on it and just zoom in. So make sure which part you want to show as a zoom. So I show okay, I want to make this center, so I just keep center, click done. Now keep the cursor between these two clip, and you can see this option which is add transition. Just hit on it, go to the mode match and move. You can increase decrease the duration. Okay, come out. Now let me play that clip. You can see the zoom effect has been done. And if you want zoom effect only this part only and want to continue this rest of clip normal, then you need to split from here also. Okay, this split should be done before that zooming effect. So I just split two clip. Now I want to split from here also. Okay, so now we have three part. So choose first part. Okay, I have select the middle clip. Now double click on it and zoom in. Make the zoom in, make visible part which you want, and just done. Now hit the transitions and make the move and match. And for second clip, third clip also you need to apply this all scenes. Okay, so I have applied this. Let me play. Now you can see this zoom effect has been done. You can increase the size, the length of this middle clip. Let me show you. You can see it's more length, which is 4 seconds. Okay, and now you can download as a mp4, manage the quality and download. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.